Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Smart English podcast. I'm your host, Liba, and today we're learning 100 daily use English sentences to help you. Hello.
I'm Jack. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, this episode is packed with useful sentences you can start using right away.
That's right, Jack. Many English learners know grammar rules and vocabulary, but they don't know which sentences to use in real-life conversations. That's why today, we're going to learn 100 daily use English sentences that can help you speak more fluently every day.
These are practical sentences that native and fluent English speakers use in everyday situations. At home, at school, at work, while shopping, traveling, and talking with friends.
Let's get started and take one step closer to speaking English fluently. Welcome to Talk Smart English podcast.
Before we start learning the sentences, let's talk about something very important. Many learners spend years studying grammar and memorizing vocabulary, but they still hesitate when speaking English in real-life situations. That's absolutely true, Liba. The reason is simple. Knowing English and using English are two different things. When you're having a conversation, you don't have time to think about grammar rules. You need ready-to-use sentences that come naturally to your mind.
Exactly. Daily use English sentences help you communicate quickly and confidently. They are the building blocks of everyday conversations, and they allow you to express your thoughts without constantly translating from your native language.
Another great advantage is that these sentences are used repeatedly in daily life. When you hear and practice them again and again, they become a natural part of your speaking habit, which improves both your fluency and your confidence.
Instead of trying to learn hundreds of difficult words every day, focus on learning useful sentences that you can immediately use in real conversations. This approach is practical, effective, and much more enjoyable.
So, as we go through today's episode, don't just listen. Imagine yourself using these sentences with friends, family members, classmates, colleagues, and even strangers in everyday situations.
The more you practice these daily use sentences, the more comfortable and fluent you will become. Now, let's move on to our first category of useful English sentences. Great! Let's begin with some English sentences that you can use every morning. These are simple, practical, and extremely common in everyday conversations.
That's right. Your morning is full of opportunities to practice English. Instead of thinking in your native language, try using these sentences as part of your daily routine.
Here comes our first sentence. Good morning, how did you sleep? This is a friendly way to greet someone at the start of the day.
Another useful sentence is, I just woke up a few minutes ago. You can use this when someone asks what you're doing early in the morning.
Here's one that many people use every day. I need to get ready for work or school.
And if you're feeling energetic, you can say, I'm feeling fresh and ready for the day.
When you're planning your morning activities, you can say, let me finish my breakfast first.
If you're running late, try this sentence. I'm in a hurry because I don't want to be late.
Here's another common one. Can you please wake me up tomorrow morning?
And when talking about your plans, you can say, I have a busy schedule today.
If you're leaving the house, a useful sentence is, I'll see you later. Have a wonderful day.
Finally, a sentence that helps you stay positive every morning. Today is a new day with new opportunities.
These simple morning routine sentences can help you start your day in English and build the habit of thinking and speaking naturally.
Practice them every morning, repeat them aloud, and soon they will become a natural part of your daily conversations. Now, let's move on to our next category of daily use English sentences.
Now let's move on to some useful English sentences that you can use at home with your family. These are the kinds of sentences people use every single day.
Exactly. Since we spend a lot of time with our family members, practicing English at home is one of the easiest ways to improve your speaking skills.
Let's start with a common sentence. How was your day? It's a simple and friendly way to start a conversation with a family member.
Here's another useful one. Can you help me with something? You'll find yourself using this sentence quite often at home.
If you need someone's attention, you can say, could you please listen to me for a moment?
And when someone helps you, don't forget to say, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
Here's a sentence many parents use. Please clean your room before dinner.
Here's a sentence many parents use. Please clean your room before dinner.
When asking about plans, try this sentence. What are we doing this weekend?
And if you're leaving the house, you might say, I'll be back in a couple of hours.
A caring sentence that family members often use is, take care of yourself and stay safe.
And before going to bed, a simple but warm sentence is, good night. See you in the morning.
These family and home-related sentences are perfect for daily practice because they are natural, useful, and easy to remember.
The more you use English with your family, the faster you'll gain confidence in real conversations. Now, let's continue with more daily use English sentences in our next section.
Osh, welcome back. Now let's learn some useful English sentences that you can use at school, college, university, or even in the workplace. These expressions will help you communicate more confidently in academic and professional environments.
That's right. Whether you're a student or an employee, these sentences are commonly used every day and can make your conversation sound more natural and fluent.
Let's begin with a very common question. Could you please explain this to me? This is useful when you don't understand something and need clarification.
Here's another one. AMD, I'm working on an important project right now. You can use this when talking about your tasks or assignments.
If you need assistance, try saying, "Can you help me with this assignment?"
Why, and when you're participating in a discussion, you can say, I completely agree with your point of view.
If you're running behind schedule, a useful sentence is, "I'm sorry, I'm a little late today."
During meetings or classes, you may hear or use, could you repeat that, please?
Here's a professional sentence. "I'll finish this task as soon as possible."
And when asking for information, you can say, when is the deadline for this project?
If you want to share an idea, try saying, "I have a suggestion that might help us."
But finally, a positive sentence that works in both school and office settings. Let's do our best and achieve our goals.
These sentences are practical, professional, and easy to use in everyday academic and workplace conversations.
Practice them regularly, and you'll feel much more confident speaking English in class meetings, presentations, and discussions. Now, let's move on to our next category of daily use English sentences.
Now it's time for one of the most practical categories, shopping and market conversations. Whether you're buying groceries, clothes, electronics, or everyday items, these sentences will help you communicate confidently in English.
Absolutely. Shopping is something we all do regularly, and learning these common expressions can make real life conversations much easier and more natural.
Let's start with a sentence that almost everyone uses. How much does this cost?
And if you want to know whether something is available, you can ask, do you have this in a different size or color?
Here's another useful one. I'm just looking around, thank you. This is perfect when a shopkeeper offers assistance, but you're not ready to buy yet.
If you like a product, you can say, I think I'll take this one.
When comparing products, try saying, "Which one would you recommend?"
If the price seems high, you can politely ask, is there any discount available?
Here's a common sentence used at the checkout counter. "Can I pay by card?"
And if you need more information about a product, you can ask, could you tell me more about this item?
When you're ready to complete your purchase, simply say, "I'd like to buy this, please."
And before leaving, don't forget a polite expression. Thank you for your help. Have a great day.
These shopping and market sentences are extremely useful because they can be used in stores, supermarkets, shopping malls, and local markets.
The more you practice these expressions, the more comfortable you'll feel speaking English in everyday situations. Now, let's move on to travel and transportation sentences that can help you wherever you go.
Now let's talk about travel and transportation. Whether you're traveling to another city, taking a bus, booking a taxi, or asking for directions, these English sentences can be incredibly useful.
That's right. Traveling is a great opportunity to practice English because you'll often need to ask questions, understand instructions, and communicate with different people.
Let's begin with a very common sentence. "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get there?"
And when you're not sure about the location, you can ask, is this the right way to the bus station?
Here's another useful sentence. "How long does it take to get there?"
If you're using public transportation, you might ask, what time does the next bus or train arrive?
When taking a taxi, you can say, "Please take me to this address."
And if you're feeling a little lost, don't worry. Just say, could you help me find this place?
Here's an important travel sentence. "How much is the ticket?"
When checking your plans, you can ask, what time does the journey start?
If you need directions, try saying, "Can you show me on the map?"
And before ending the conversation, a polite expression is, thank you for your guidance and assistance.
These travel and transportation sentences can help you communicate confidently wherever you go, making your journey smoother and less stressful. Practice these expressions regularly so that when you travel, you'll be ready to speak English naturally and confidently. Now let's move on to our next category, friends and social conversations. Welcome to one of the most exciting parts of today's episode. In this section, we're going to learn English sentences that you can use when talking with friends, meeting new people, or having casual social conversations.
Exactly. These are the kinds of conversations that happen every day, and knowing these expressions can help you sound more natural, friendly, and confident in English.
Let's start with a simple and friendly sentence. Hi, it's great to see you again.
When you want to know how someone is doing, you can ask, "How have you been lately?"
Here's another common sentence. What have you been up to these days?
If you're making plans with friends, try saying, "Would you like to hang out this weekend?"
When someone shares good news, you can respond with, That's wonderful. I'm really happy for you.
Why? And if you agree with someone, you can say, "I think you're absolutely right."
Here's a useful sentence for social situations. That sounds like a great idea.
If you want to continue the conversation, ask, "Can you tell me more about it?"
When you're enjoying someone's company, you can say, I always enjoy talking with you.
And before leaving, a warm and friendly sentence is, "Let's stay in touch and meet again soon."
These social conversation sentences can help you build stronger relationships and communicate more naturally with friends and new people.
Remember, fluency comes from using English in real conversations, so don't be afraid to speak, make mistakes, and keep practicing. Now get ready for our quick fluency practice challenge.
Great job, everyone! We've covered many useful daily English sentences so far. Now it's time for a quick fluency challenge. This is your chance to practice speaking out loud with us.
That's right. Don't just listen. Repeat each sentence after us. Try to speak clearly, confidently, and at a natural speed. Ready? Let's begin.
Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today?
How much does this cost?
Could you tell me how to get there?
That sounds like a great idea.
I completely agree with you.
Thank you for your help.
Excellent. If you were able to repeat those sentences smoothly, you're already making progress.
And if some sentences felt difficult, don't worry. Fluency comes through repetition and consistent practice, not perfection.
Keep practicing these sentences every day, and you'll notice that speaking English becomes easier and more natural over time.
Fantastic work. Now let's move on to some powerful tips that will help you remember and use these daily English sentences effectively.
Before we finish today's episode, let's share a few simple but powerful tips that can help you learn and remember these daily use English sentences more effectively.
Tip number 1, don't just read the sentences, speak them out loud. The more you hear your own voice speaking English, the more confident you'll become.
Tip number 2, use at least 5 new sentences every day in real conversations. Even short conversations can help improve your fluency.
Tip number 3, practice regularly. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes a day speaking English is much better than studying for hours once a week.
Don't worry. Another great tip is to think in English whenever possible. Try describing your daily activities using the sentences you've learned today.
And finally, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve your English speaking skills.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing difficult grammar rules. It comes from using English consistently in your everyday life.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll be surprised by how quickly your English improves. Now, let's wrap up today's episode.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Talk Smart English podcast. Today, we explored 100 daily use English sentences that can help you communicate more naturally, confidently, and fluently in everyday situations.
We covered sentences for your morning routine, home and family conversations, school and office communication, shopping, traveling, and talking with friends. These are practical expressions that you can start using right away.
Remember, learning English is not about knowing hundreds of difficult words. It's about using simple and useful sentences consistently in your daily life.
Make it a habit to practice these sentences every day. Repeat them, use them in conversations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you speak English, you're getting one step closer to fluency.
If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new English learning podcast.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every single day.
Until next time, take care, stay motivated, and keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye, everyone!
Goodbye, and see you in the next episode of Talk Smart English Podcast.